Welcome, fellow explorers, to a short journey through the marvels of nature. Today, we set our sights on one of New Zealand's most curious natural phenomena, the Moeraki Boulders. These geological treasures provide not just a feast for the eyes but a glimpse into the Earth's artistic prowess. Located on the scenic Koekohe Beach along the Otago coast, the Moeraki Boulders are a collection of large, spherical stones that dot the shore. They range in size from half a meter to a whopping 2 meters in diameter, with a smooth, gray surface that sometimes reveals a network of natural cracks. These boulders are not just a random act of nature, they are the product of millions of years of sedimentary processes. Born from the erosion of mudstone formations, they have been shaped into hard concretions by the cementing of minerals, eventually emerging onto the beach as if by a slow revelation. As a protected scientific reserve, the beach is a testament to conservation efforts, inviting tourists to witness these wonders while advocating for their preservation. closing, the Moeraki Boulders stand as sentinels to time, weathering the ages and holding stories of the earth beneath their surfaces. They remind us of our planet's dynamic history and the beauty that arises over time. As we leave Koekohe Beach behind, let us carry the image of these natural sculptures with us. A memory of the Earth's enduring creativity.
Grateful for every view and moment shared. Your support drives our passion. Stay tuned for our next videos and thank you for being part of our journey. For joining us today on AI Dr. Bala's Facts and Beyonds. If you enjoyed today's insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow for more enlightening journeys into the world of facts and beyond. Remember, knowledge is always evolving, and there's always more to explore. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep wondering and discovering.